Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to use a moisture meter. And you see on the moisture meter it goes from 1 to 10. 1 to 3 is in the dry, 4 to 7 is in the moist, and 8 to 10 is wet. You technically want to keep it in the green 6-7 area. That means that it's been watered really well. Now it will show blue usually once you just watered it. So with a plant this size, you need to use the moisture meter in several different spots because this is a nice size pot. I want to say this is a 6-inch if I'm not mistaken. I wrapped it so I can't remember the size. But what you do is the moisture meter is going to be something that helps you if you are a new plant mom or dad and you don't know when you should be watering your plant. Well, with these snake plants, they like to be dry. So when they're dry, it is time for you to put some water in that baby. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it, and then I'm going to show you how I water the plant, and that way you can see that you're watering it fully and getting all the soil saturated. So you stick it inside the plant all the way down as far as you can get it, and as you see, it's read and dry, right? And then you turn it and you stick it in another area, and you see it's read and dry. So I like to stick it in 3 different areas. It's read and dry, so you know that that plant needs to be watered because it is read and dry. And this is what these plants like. They don't like to have a lot of water on them, and technically even though it's dry, you still can go some time, but this is just showing you how to use the moisture meter. Just a quick video. I don't think I'm going to water it in this video. I want to do another video separate from this if someone's looking for just how to water. So yeah, that's how you use your moisture meter, like that. Now what I will do is show you the difference once I do water it, but I'm not going to show you me watering this. Or should I, guys? Let me just water the plant. But that's another video. So these are the problems I have. Overthinking. Okay, let me figure this out. But this is how you use the moisture meter. You stick it into the plant, and if it's a bigger plant, you go deeper. If it's a bigger plant, you do more than 3 spaces. It's just trial and error, learning your plant and learning how to get acclimated to the plant and understand what this plant needs, because each plant is its own individual entity. And I told someone this the other day, it does not matter if you bought 2 of the same plant, same price, same time. Each plant needs to be watered separately. It needs to be watered differently. I have some plants that are like that where I bought in 2s, but I can put this meter in it and we could have watered the same day. One may show moist, one may show dry. So it depends on the root system of the plant, which is like the DNA of a person. So that's how you use a moisture meter. You stick it inside the soil, and when you stick it inside the soil, it'll tell you where this plant is as far as the moisture level. Not only that, it's good to know because some plants need to stay moist. So this will also allow you to know if that plant is keeping enough moisture in the soil, and if not, you may need to add to it, especially like tropical plants like the palms and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope this was helpful. If it was, give a thumbs up. And if you are new to my family, make sure you join my family by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And be sure, if you came here for plants, to check out my plant care video. I'm doing my best to try to keep them all in one playlist. So make sure you share that, and if you have any questions, leave them below. If you have anything you want to see me do with the plants or anything in my home, leave it below. And with that being said, I will see you guys later, getters.